Hello students of standard 2. Today we are going to start the lesson 5. The name is houses we live in. Here you will come to know different type of houses and when people move some places what they use and types of roofs. So from the beginning of the lesson you will learn why do people use houses. People use houses to protect themselves from heat, rain and cold. In early times people use cave and like a stone hut, and some people live on trees. Ancient people or early time human beings live on trees, but nowadays people evolved and they can build homes, and as per their availability they can build kacha houses and pakka houses. So for different type of houses you will learn about kacha houses and pakka houses. Basically kacha houses are made up of mud, bamboo and straw. They are temporary houses. Pakka houses are made up of bricks and cements. They are permanent houses. In pakka houses you can see multi-storied building. It has many apartments or flats. Means one apartment up then one and then floors. It is also called floors. First floor, ground floor, second floor, etc. Then after multi-storied buildings in pakka houses you will come to know bungalows. Suppose one house with lawn, means one garden around the house. It is called bungalows. Some houses has big lawns and some houses also have small lawns. Then come to know about tents. Some people live in tents of canvas, means canvas is like one cloth which is very thick and strong, which can protect from storm also but not from hard storm. Usually people who need keep moving from one place to another, they live in tents. So quick check. Houses in multi-story buildings are called apartments or flats. Caravans. Next come to caravans. Caravans, there are some people who lives in houses on wheels, means that house can move from one place to another. It has wheels. Caravans are mobile means it can movable. Like a car can be driven and parked anywhere. When you are studying about houses, obviously you will come to know about roofs, the top of the house, which is the cap of the house. Houses have different type of roofs. Means in kacha houses the roof is made up of straw. In pakka houses it is made up of cement or sheets, asbestos. So students, I want to tell you one thing. In hill area there rainy season often falls. So in hill areas the houses roofs are made like tangentially, means sloping down to the, means a little bit downwards. It is not straight. The roofs are made little bit downwards so that the rainwater or snow can fall off easily. And sloping roofs often made of tin, palm leaves, tiles or straws. In very cold regions, snow houses are called igloos. It has round shape or dome shaped roof.